Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, all we're going to do is going to wash the car. So I'm going to be using these Hoplet towels. I do want to mention these were given to me in exchange for a review. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I just finished cleaning the car. Let's go ahead and dry it. I'm just going to use the soft side. And since these are big towels, you can go ahead and just kind of do this. Or you can do this. So my preference is do the other way first and then try like this. As you can see, it dried it fairly quickly. Let's go ahead and do another. There you go. Very absorbent, these towels. You can do your final wipe like that, but they are very absorbent. And since you do get two, it will go a long way you drying this vehicle. And as you can see, we were able to dry the vehicle fairly easy. We still got a lot of towel left to dry the whole vehicle. So got all this dry, all this other side dry, and these seem to hold a good amount of water. So, and this soft part, you can see it there. Look at that, a lot of fiber on it, and you can see a lot of fiber on it. And this completes the video on the Hoplet microfiber towels. Thank you.